Good morning kids, I hope you all are doing well. This is Mahima Budwani, your drawing teacher. So kids, in our today's class, we will be starting new topic, that is composition of a rabbit. So now kids, before starting today's work, there are few instructions which you have to follow throughout the whole video. Firstly, make sure that your pencils are sharpened. Secondly, you have to draw from light hand. And thirdly, try to minimize the use of the eraser. Now firstly, we will draw the borders. The width of the border will be of one scale. Firstly, place the scale. So place the scale like this on your sheet and draw the line without moving the scale. Kids, after making the borders, make sure that lines should be straight. Now here we will write down today's date, that is 20th of February 2021. Here we will be writing classwork, and on the upper border we will be writing the topic, that is composition of a rabbit. Now kids, here on the right side we will be making a rabbit. Firstly, we will draw the face. For that we will make one curved line like this. Now at the end here we will make a small curve. Now we will draw the mouth. For that again we will be making one curved line. Now at the bottom again we will draw one curved line. Now we will draw two ears. Now we will draw the outline of the upper body. For that we will draw one big curved line. Like this. Then we will turn this line upwards for making the tail. Now we will draw the foot. For making the foot, what we will do is we will make one standing curved line from this end. Then we will make one sleeping line. Now we will draw the toe. Now here kids, we will draw one C, one big C in opposite direction. Then we will draw one sleeping curved line. Now we will draw another foot of the rabbit. For making an eye, firstly we will draw one curved line at the upper side, then one curved line at the lower side.
In between we will draw one semicircle. Then again we will draw one smaller semicircle. Now kids, we will draw the carrot which this rabbit is eating. Firstly, draw one standing line. Then draw another standing line. Now we will draw the leaf. Now we will draw the grassland. For that we will draw few curves. So we will draw few curves like this at both the sides.
For today. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. I will meet you soon in our next class. Till then, keep drawing and practicing.